Hi everybody and welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga from the Inside. It's nice to have you back here again practicing with me as we are going to have a closer look on the downward facing dog pose, also known as Adho Mukha, and how to keep it more simple, how to do less. And what you need for today's practice is your mat, as always, good intentions, a calm mind, and then I would say, let's step on our mat and let's practice. So let's start by being on 6. So place your hands, knees together and feet slightly apart, toes up. Relax your head. And for a moment, just feel your hands, knees and toes touching the floor, the mat. Feel where the weight is sinking down, very important. And then allow yourself to move a bit forward, engaging more your hands and shoulders, and moving back. Once again, forward and back. And when you move back, stay and lift up your wrists so that you are only on your fingertips, and you can look at your fingertips, slightly press them down, the middle finger pointing forward. And then you can see the more you press the fingertips down, the more they turn white. So there's really quite an active pressing down and away from you. Relax your head and then even press a bit more down and away from you, and then just observe what is happening when you do that. There's a forward movement and a backward movement, and the backward movement allows your knees to come up and you go back, and then place the knees down again and relax for a moment. Go into Balasana, child's pose. Inhale, exhale. And then we come up again. Once again, on 6, same. Knees together, feet slightly apart, toes up. Relax your head. And you move forward. And you move back, and now bring up the wrists. So by inhaling into your back, you press even more your fingertips down and away from you, and see that a back movement is starting. Your knees want to come up, and now you think inner heel down, inner heel down, and by trying to bring the inner heel down, the legs are lengthening, going back. So for my feeling, my legs, my sitting bones are going back, not up. Relax your head. Don't worry if you cannot bring your inner heel down today, no problem, but feel the backward movement. So it is less doing, definitely less doing. It's just one part is moving forward and the other part is moving back. And feel the quiet back, happy back. Inhale, whenever you inhale, engage the back of your back, so the chest, the rib cage, wide back. Whenever you exhale, think again, inner heel down, long legs, legs back. And then you bring up your heels, bend your legs on your knees, Once again into Child's Pose, Balasana. Relax. And like always, I hope that this little insight of mine gave you something to move forward on your own yoga journey. And don't worry, sometimes by making your practice more simple, it can give you a feeling of uncertainty or insecurity. Just continue practicing and see how it feels over a long period of time. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be back again and I hope you will do the same. Until then, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.